Welcome to the C#.NET Interview question video series. Today's question is, what is routing, and how does it work in MVC? Let's try to answer the question.
ASP.NET introduced routing to eliminate the needs of mapping each URL with a physical file. Routing enables us to define a URL pattern that maps to the request handler. It is basically what is happening is you are mapping your URL to the physical file. But routing, which is introduced by ASP.NET, it will enables you to match the URL pattern, okay, with your request. So depending on your request URL, it is mapped to the corresponding pages or corresponding controllers action. This is called as a routing. So in web forms, the route is used by the XPEX page is used as a routing, whereas in the MVC it is action, controller action, class and methods. Class and action methods are used for the routing. Now let's see routing process. So new request comes to the MVC handler. What it does is it first finds the URL matches. If there is a URL matches, from where it matches from the routing table. So there is a routing table which gets created at the time of a start of the application. So when it starts, it's build the routing table. So it will store the route, different route with the corresponding URL pattern and what is the handler for that. Okay, so that table is built initially, and once request is come, it checks whether that route is available. If that route is not available, then it shows the page not found page, that is 4.4 error. If it founds it, then it executes the corresponding controller and action. That controller action is stored in the handler. So handler will tell you which controller and which action should get executed, and depending on the response it's created. Okay, so in summary, route defines the URL pattern and handler information. So route stores the URL pattern, what pattern the URL is coming, and the handler about that. All the configured routes of an application stored in the route table. So this is the route table which stores all the information, and this complete process will be executed by the routing engine. So routing engine will execute its complete process, okay, and it will define which is handler class, and then or if there is any file associated with that, file will get mapped, and this is how the incoming request will be processed.
Thank you for watching the video. If you'd like a more detailed explanation, please watch the complete video by clicking on the link provided on the screen. Don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video. Also, consider subscribing to our channel and clicking the notification bell for the latest updates.